Hello vlog. Guys, andito kami sa may palayan. Oh. Kita nyo guys ang palay. Kaganda-ganda ng palay, guys. Ayoko kung kanino ito. Hindi ko alam kung kanino itong palay. Ibang may-ari nito. Gusto kong puntahan yung yung palayan ni Mr. Palayan. Yung ni Mr. ba? Ano kayang nakatanim doon? Saan kaya? Baka naman yung tinaman ng wala man dito yun. Doon siya nagpunta, oh. Yun guys, palayan dyan. Ang ganda ng palay, guys.
Where's the garden boy?
I don't know the place for your baba. I don't know where is it.
I know.
I know, Baba said from the post, light post, the electric post is number 3. I know this one. Maybe this one have corn, but I don't know this corn is for who.
It's for Baba, you know.
No, it's not your Baba. I want to ask somebody because I know this place is your Baba. This have corn.
Yeah, have corn over.
I have corn, but
Corn? We could take some corn there and eat it.
I want to ask somebody, you know.
After taking the corn, how about after coming
Konamit ba sa mais? Oh, ang sarap nito anuhin. Sino kayang may-ari nito? Alam nyo guys, yung mais dito, pinapaano lang nila ito, pinapatuyo at binibenta yung pagkain sa manok. Hindi ko alam saan yung dito ni Baba.
Oh, let's go.
I know this is for your Baba, this place.
Yeah, duh.
But I did not see some people here because I want to ask. Nobody here. I will see the size of this place. This is a big. I know this place is your Baba.
Exactly.
This is somebody put the corn.
Look at the we found the house.
Bakante yung video call ko nga si Baba.